So the question we are asking on the show, is the government afraid of Baba Ramdev? The reason we are asking the question is that a yoga guru who came almost out of nowhere just a few years ago has launched an agitation against black money and corruption. It sounds familiar to social activist Anna Hazare's campaign, but the only thing is that this time round, the government's paying very close attention to Baba Ramdev, and they're doing everything they can to stop him from going on hunger strike, even getting the Prime Minister to give out an appeal. Siddharth Pandey tells us all that the government is doing to stop this agitation.
The Prime Minister appealing to Baba Ramdev to call off his proposed hunger strike over the issue of black money. Today, the Prime Minister told NDTV he had written to Ramdev not to go ahead with his indefinite fast.
The government is not averse to any of Baba Ramdev's suggestions to curb black money. But the Prime Minister's resolve is clear. What is possible and what is feasible within the law of the land can be done. It's not a divisive and not a personal issue.
The government doesn't want to be pushed into a corner, especially after it was forced to accept Anna Hazare's demand for a joint panel to draft the Lokpal bill. But some of Ramdev's demands may be tough to meet. He wants the government to bring back all black money stashed in banks abroad, death penalty for those found guilty of corruption, and he wants currency notes of high denomination to be withdrawn. Earlier in the day, Ramdev, who's on a tour across the country to whip up support for the campaign, said that while talks were welcome, the agitation was still on course.
सत्याग्रह स्थगित करने का तो प्रश्न ही नहीं. ये सत्याग्रह चलता रहेगा.
The government has already set up a panel to crack down on black money, and government representatives have already met Ramdev to brief him on the steps being taken.
It's not a secret. The officers of the Finance Ministry have met with Swami Ramdev and have held discussions with him, and the discussions are continuing. So let us wait for those discussions to throw up some results, and then we will respond.
The government hopes it will be able to convince Ramdev, but the opposition is throwing its weight behind the yoga guru.
The BJP wholeheartedly supports this entire endeavour of Baba Ramdev, whom it holds in high respect.
While most activists welcome Baba Ramdev's initiative against corruption, they say that they are worried with the remedy that the Baba is offering. In fact, they say that the Baba needs to further fine-tune his medicine to tackle corruption. And this particular campaign comes also at a time when they feel it could further end up weakening the current resolve to enact a strong Lokpal bill. With Sunil Prabhu and Anchal Vora, Siddharth Pandey for NDTV.
Now, Baba Ramdev is travelling around in Madhya Pradesh and he only had time to answer one question from us. We asked him if he was open to negotiating with the government.
दो अवस्थाएं होती हैं. या तो सत्याग्रह शुरू होने के बाद आपसे सरकार बात करती है, या पहले से बात करना शुरू करती है. तो सरकार जो बातचीत कर रही है, हम उसका स्वागत करते हैं और वह बात प्रथम दृष्टया सकारात्मक भी है. लेकिन जब तक हम ठोस निर्णायक मुकाम तक नहीं पहुंच जाते और जो सरकार बातें हमारे साथ कह रही है उसको वैधानिक तौर पर जब तक सरकार स्वीकार नहीं कर लेती, तब तक सत्याग्रह की स्थगित करने का प्रश्न, ये कोई एक दिन का विषय थोड़ी. ये 9 महीने से पूरी यात्रा चल रही है और देश के करोड़ों लोगों का मूवमेंट इसके साथ अब जुड़ चुका है. अब इसको हम ऐसे कैसे स्थगित कर सकते हैं? तो हमारे इस सत्याग्रह के संदर्भ में मैं दो ही बातें कहूंगा. यदि सरकार हमारे सभी मुद्दों के ऊपर 100% सहमत हो जाती है और उनको वैधानिक तौर पर भी स्वीकार कर लेती है, तो भी यह सत्याग्रह होगा विजय के रूप में.
NDTV's cricket app, Android and iPhone, fastest scorecard, special analysis, and much more. Download free. ndtv.com/apps.